In a small, secluded cottage nestled in a serene forest, lived an old woman named Clara. Clara had a special gift bestowed upon her by nature, the ability to make water drops create a magical lullaby that could help people sleep well. Clara had always been in tune with the elements. She had an unexplainable connection to water, and when she was near it, she felt a sense of calm and tranquility that was unmatched. It was her deepest desire to share this gift with the world and bring peace to those who struggled with restless nights. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Clara invited a young woman named Eliza to her cottage. Eliza had heard about Clara's unique ability and had been suffering from sleepless nights for months. She had tried everything, from herbal remedies to meditation, but nothing seemed to work. Clara welcomed Eliza into her cozy cottage and led her to a small, dimly lit room. In the center of the room, there was a large basin filled with clear water. The room was adorned with crystals and wind chimes, and the soft glow of candlelight created a soothing ambience. Clara gestured for Eliza to sit beside the basin, and she explained, "My dear, I have a gift, and I believe it can help you sleep well. I want you to watch the water in this basin closely. As you do, try to let go of your worries and stress. Allow the water to capture your thoughts and anxieties." Eliza was intrigued, and she agreed to give it a try. She gazed into the water, her mind filled with thoughts of the day, her responsibilities, and her worries. As she watched, she noticed that the water seemed to respond to her emotions. It rippled and shimmered with a gentle, calming energy. Clara began to sing a soft, melodic tune that resonated with the water's movements. Eliza's eyelids grew heavy as she continued to watch the water, and soon, she found herself drifting into a peaceful slumber. When Eliza awoke, she felt as though she had been cradled in the arms of the gentlest lullaby. Her mind was clear, and her body felt rejuvenated. She couldn't believe that she had slept so well, and she was immensely grateful to Clara for sharing her unique gift. Eliza visited Clara's cottage regularly, and each time, she experienced the same soothing effect of the water's lullaby. She also noticed that the more she visited, the better she could sleep on her own, even when she was not in Clara's presence. Word of Clara's gift soon spread throughout the village, and many others who struggled with sleep sought her guidance. Clara was happy to share her gift and help people find the peaceful slumber they longed for. As more people experienced the magic of water drops lulling them to sleep, Clara's cottage became a haven for those in search of tranquility. The sound of gently falling water drops had the power to transport people to a world of serenity, a world where sleep came easily and peacefully, night after night. Clara's gift became a legend in the village, and she continued to share her unique ability with anyone who needed a good night's rest, one water drop at a time.